Pretty girl when left me in a chat, sir. But I know me alone look for a gangster. Now this shit right man, in a star. Sun is up so it's a vibe. Then I'm gonna come to me now for every dancer dancing them knees, you know. I need no gun. It's a vibe.
Wagwan, my people. Bless up and welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know, my people, we're there with a hot one. A hot one in the morning. I beg you to like, share, subscribe on that video here. And you don't know, my people, God is the greatest. So I have to give God thanks for life, my people. Alright, when you don't see what go on, Vybz Kartel is back on the scene, fresh, my people. Him touch 420 last night. Shawn I perform and the boss step out and grab the mic from Shawn. You understand? I soon drop that video there for my people. I soon drop that video there for them. Alright, you know, don't see what go on. The boss and him woman see them a roll. You understand? And my people, the boss buy, we have quite a few updates for you in that one, you know. The boss buy new Rolex. And guess what? Money, go pick it up. So come back, my people.
Yeah. And after that, this coming up.
Yeah.
This just come.
Yeah. How much it is?
42,100.
42K?
Yeah, 42,100.
Need it.
Take off a size.
Yeah, man, TJ. Matching watches. Don't watch us. We're at Bijou. Where are you? I'm out.
All sized.
Yeah, my people say you don't know the world boss, so of course he marks money for go collect the jewelry fame. You understand, my people? And people them think are very expensive. You understand? I think for them to watch the way I say him buy is something like 14 million Jamaican dollars. You understand? That rough, my people. Pan to watch. You understand?
Watch. Mr. Bubba's watch. Mr. Palmer's watch. World Boss watch.
World Boss. World Boss kit.
That's his watch.
Yeah, when you hear a money say, the world boss watch. Any other boss, a basket. Alright. My people, the update them hot as me tell you. Vybz Kartel there in the studio and him a put him track list together for Freedom Street.
As I say, Gazanation, we're there. Track listing for Freedom Street with TJ, ZJ Chrome. So on the night, you know, as ZJ Chrome, I go spin the record. Yeah, Lord. Ready? Freedom Street! December what? 31st.
And the boss link up with Renee 630, my people.
That's it.
I don't wanna be rude. I don't wanna be rude on the right my road. Give me the attitude. Give me the attitude. Pussy so polite. If I fuck for life, my love you like. If you be wise.
Oh.
Pretty please. Looking at my eye on your knee.
You hear?
When my boss lightly not squeeze. Open up your mouth, tongue out. You win like the Grammy. Fuck them other nominees. And the nominees are she and her, but she win by far. Baby girl, you're a star. Fucking on my Porsche with a car. Merci beaucoup, au revoir.
My people. You don't know now, Vybz Kartel. That. And my people, you don't know without further ado, I gotta just drop the little snippet I have with Vybz Kartel. Take the mic from Shawn and make them know, say, yo, new name for loyalty, you know, my people. And people, you know, say Vybz Kartel actually circle Isaac Buchanan and get all away and promise the people in on paper. My people, stay tuned. I soon come back.
But we want to hear from him personally. Hold on. Right now, I'm on him phone. Wait till him come out.
Yeah. Let me talk to them. Yeah.
Portland. People of Portland and here with a future member of Parliament, Isaac Buchanan. And the first question I want to ask him for Vybz Kartel TV is this. Mr. Buchanan, what do you plan to do for the people of Portland?
Education, economic growth,
entertainment and bringing back tourism to Portland. That's the first thing on their agenda.
I'm glad they bring up tourism because we all know Portland is one of the hidden gems in Jamaica. So basically you think more should be done about bringing in tourists back into Portland?
Yes, more than that. You have the Boston Jerk, you have the Blue Lagoon, and you have just in general Portland is just that, a port. So we want the ships coming in, we want to make sure that the people of Portland get access to the tourists so that they can get the money.
That makes sense.
Simple as
that makes sense. And you touch on the topic of education. Remember, one of my managers is the teacher. So what kind of plan you have in terms of education?
I'm going to tell you this. I have a vision where every household is supposed to have lawyers and doctors. So I have to rid this mindset that we put people in call centers or because your father is a farmer, you must go to farming. Education is something we have to give access to education. Young people don't want to just stay in Portland, they want to be able to go to the United States, England, Canada, all over the world to study, and education is the vehicle for that. Not just radar cards and farm work programs, but work and travel. That includes working while getting educated.
So I hear it from the horse's mouth, people. 5 minutes with Mr. Buchanan.
Why for the horse?
People. Bad video. You don't know me. I beg you to just like, share, subscribe on the video, my people. Pick up on yourself. And let me know on the thing about the whole PNP thing, the whole JLP thing. Let me know on the thing. On the thing say Isaac Buchanan is a good fit for Portland. Yo, my Portland people, I'm subscribe. I could get the comment section active panda one year. And my people who don't know, line up on yourself December 31st, Freedom Street. And all who can make it at the show, just stay tuned to Jamaican Chat, my people. Stay tuned to Jamaican Chat. People, yes, I'm going to jump off. I beg you know, continue like, share, subscribe on my video them. Pick up on yourself. Jamaican Chat, I'm out.
It's a very boss. I want to Mr. City, Mr. City, want to Mr. City. But it's only It's a very boss. I want to Mr. City, Mr. City, want to Mr. City. But it's only